were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. If you are new here, in today's video we are doing an extreme clean and organized with me. It has been such a long time since I've posted one of these videos. I want to say it's been at least a year and a half since I posted one of these videos. So I am so excited to share this video with you guys today. On this particular day, the night before, we had just got back from Florida. We actually went to Disney for Eleni's birthday, and for some reason when we come back from vacation, why does everything end up in the living room? I don't know why we couldn't just take it straight to the bedroom or where it belonged, but it didn't happen. We got back really late. We had like lost luggage, like it was a whole ordeal. So we clearly just threw everything in the house and went to bed the night before. But when I got up that morning, I definitely wanted to tidy up the house and just do like a reset because it was a Sunday. So wanted to do a reset to get ready for the week. So just thought I'd pick up the camera and record it and bring you guys along.
Then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it.
So as you saw, the first thing I did was I just took everything within the living room and the kitchen area that didn't belong in those spaces. I just placed it in the room that it belonged in. I didn't necessarily tidy up that room once I went in there and took those belongings. So I sort of always start with the living room and kitchen and then take all those items into the room that they belong in and then come back to that space. So I just wanted to go ahead and finish up putting everything back where it belongs. Well, at least the room that it belonged in, and then do a little bit of detail cleaning in the living room and in the kitchen. So just wanted to use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. I use this thing for everything. Like I literally use nothing else unless I want to disinfect something, but for the most part I always use Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. So I'm just wiping our entertainment center down. It was pretty nasty. Sometimes I feel like white shows up, but the dust doesn't show up so well. I feel like it shows up more on black to let you know that you need to clean a space. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this, and then we'll move on to cleaning the windows.
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wait.
So wiping the windows is definitely long overdue. Eleni's fingerprints were all over it. We had snow a couple of weeks ago, so that residue was on it. I definitely took the easy way out and just wiped one window, the one that was worse. I didn't bother the other door, but this one is worse because we opened and closed that one, and Eleni's fingerprints were, like I said, Eleni's fingerprints were all over it. So definitely glad I tackled that window. But I also wanted to say, like, we went to Florida to get away from, like, okay, the lower temperatures. Like, it's been snowing. I think it snowed like 3 times this winter, and that is not likely for North Carolina. So we were definitely ready to get away from the cold weather. And then we go down to Florida, and we literally had cooler weather Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of the whole time that we were there, because we were there for 7 days. But it was like when we went to Disney on Monday, it was a low of 45. And I was like, you've got to be kidding me. So we were bundled up at Disney, but we had a really good time. Eleni surely enjoyed it. The weather didn't bother her at all. She was okay to go into the water park at 60-degree weather. She loves water, but overall we had a really good time. But boy, am I ready for spring. We are seeing glimpses of spring in North Carolina right now. Like, we're having like 70, I think a high of 71 some days, and then a high of like 51 some days. So as of right now, I just can't wait for spring.
I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
So So this is the guest bathroom, also Eleni's bathroom. So I just wanted to disinfect and wipe it down. I actually used disinfectant wipes. I actually used my last two, I think it was, but I just wiped everything down, and we're also going to go ahead and clean the toilet as well. So if you need to clean your bathroom or clean your toilet, which I know is no fun, let's go ahead and tackle this together.
You know how you know, oh you know, oh you know how you know, oh you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh you know how you know, oh you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
And for cleaning the toilets, I always use the Lime Away from Dollar Tree, and then also the bathroom spray cleaner from Dollar Tree as well. They're probably not the most healthiest to be breathing in, but it definitely gets the job done, and I love the way it smells afterwards. I'm not sure of exactly what it's called, but I'll use the wand with the refillables at the end to actually clean the toilet. So that's what you guys seen me use earlier, and that definitely works magic. I used to use a toilet brush all the time, which is pretty disgusting thinking about it now, but definitely use the wand. I purchased it at Target, and then you can get the refillables at Target as well. I'll put it in the description box because I can't quite remember exactly what it's called, but it definitely works really, really good. So the next room we're going to tackle is our bedroom, and for the most part we keep this room very minimum, so we don't really have to do too much. So all I'm going to do is put up our heated blanket, make up the bed, and then dust and wipe down some things. It's definitely pretty disgusting, so wait for that. I definitely haven't moved the nightstand in a while, but we're just going to do a few things in here, and then we'll move on to the next room.
Second chances are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things.
Looking back at it, I probably should have just went ahead and grabbed the mop, but hey, I had already started, so I guess I just wanted to finish the job, but it was pretty disgusting. So I went ahead and, as you saw, I wiped the baseboards as well. I feel like that's something that should be on my list to do more often, but spring cleaning is coming up, so I guess I'll make sure to tackle that then. But all I'm going to do now is go ahead and sweep. Y'all, I've had this broom for forever. Like, I've literally had it since I started YouTube, and it's like, red is definitely not a color that I go for anything. This was definitely something I purchased like a long time ago, and I'm like, why didn't I get a black broom? Why didn't I get a gray broom? Like, I literally got a red broom, but I use that thing all the time. Like, I rather sweep my floors because we don't have any carpet. I always rather sweep my floors than vacuum. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. Like, I feel like the broom always gets every single thing, like the cracks and crannies, and the vacuum never, you know, gets the edges or the corners. So I always use a broom to sweep all of our floors. But enough about that. The next thing we're going to do is organize my makeup. So since I had took the makeup on the trip, I just took this time to go ahead and reorganize everything, go through anything that I didn't want. So if you need to organize your drawer or organize your makeup, definitely let's tackle this together.
Everything we do, you got me going, oh, you got me going, oh.
And these organizing bins I purchased from TJ Maxx. I love purchasing organizing things from TJ Maxx just because you'll get high quality things for lower prices, and these actually have the grips on the bottom to where they won't slide around, or I don't have to add anything or any type of putty or anything to the bottom of them. So I definitely love them, and I always try to go with the clear for the makeup just because you don't see, like if I went with white bins, you would always see the makeup and stuff. So I always try to go with the clear bins. But this is technically my vanity slash desk. You know, you guys know I keep it very minimum. So on one side I have all of my makeup and stuff, and then on the other side I have like my planner, journal, my pens and things like that. So I just split this space up just because I got tired of standing up and doing my makeup in the bathroom. So it works so much better with having it there. And I have like my vanity mirror on the desk as well, along with my jewelry. I definitely love how it turned out. I have everything categorized by item. Also, the way I apply the makeup, I sort of organized it in that way as well. But you guys know I love everything simple and minimal, so I definitely loved how it turned out.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
If you are loving this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe. I do all things organization, cleaning, any type of motivation that you need within your home. This is definitely the channel for you, and I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube family here.
Along the road tonight, lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack, just me.
So what I was pulling off on the rug was some hard pieces of slime that have dried. Ebony loves slime, and I try to tell her not to play on the rug with the slime, but of course it always ends up on there. But the good thing is that rug definitely has a lot of stuff. And I purchased it from Boutique Rugs. I want to say it was about $125, but I definitely love that rug.
I forgot how you look like in red.
Thank you guys again for watching this extreme clean and organized with me. We are going to tackle the bathroom, the kitchen, and the closet on my next video, so stay tuned for that one. I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 3 p.m. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
But you got